Bullish Dogecoin, Doge, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.273624 and $0.516845 by 2030. Market experts accept Doge could reach $0.212819 by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.048644. Dogecoin, Doge, presentation programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge D, as a joke in light of the then wild cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Regardless of being snide, certain individuals view it as a practical monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area and, by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the head association. Kindly note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, how about we plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin, Doge? Distributed, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin, Doge, works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an amusing image coin. A representation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in prominence. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. One center of allies actually exchange Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Likewise, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into flow as mining rewards is split at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is currently no rush toward an asserted hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's to come. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment development. Despite the fact that its commencement was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for ordinary consumptions. Dogecoin is at present worth $0.060806 United States dollars. Doge has moved 2.50% as of now with an exchanging volume of $156,268,794. Dogecoin is presently positioned 9 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $8,675,305,268 United States dollars. Using the overall strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin, Doge, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Dogecoin, Doge, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, Doge. The Doge cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.091209. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.085129 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of $0.072968. Dogecoin, Doge, Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Dogecoin Doge cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guessed that the cost of Doge will before long outperform $0.152016. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.121613 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.133774. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.212822 and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.194580 and a low of $0.182419 in 2025. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2026 assuming Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.273628 with a base cost of $0.243225 and a typical cost of $0.255386. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.316193 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.304031 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Doge has a most extreme value worth of $0.334435. Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.376999. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.395241. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.364838. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.425644 and a yearly cost close above $0.456047 in 2029. Dogecoin, Doge, value forecast 2030 by 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. And as one of the first elective monetary forms, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain design. The task's objective was to fabricate areas of strength for a base for an